name is Omar Alonso. I work at Kurai.com, a new startup in the Bay Area. We're based in Palo Alto. My title is technical lead. I mostly work on knowledge bases, knowledge graphs, and labeling in general for healthcare. I've been coming to Scale and Text by the Bay for many years. This is not my first time. I did a few talks in the past, mostly on labeling and do annotation at scale. I know Alexei from Social Connections, so I'm always happy to be here back. This is a great venue, lots of interesting people, lots of cool talks, and I'm happy that the event is keep growing and keep going on. I think I gave a talk on generation of knowledge graphs, 3 graphs, one based on Twitter data, the second based on e-commerce, and the third one, which is we're starting to work on Kurai. Probably the most important part was the one out of Twitter data, because we built it from scratch, did scale, we ship it in Microsoft, we got a lot of papers out of it, and we show it, and I think it's pretty interesting. I put a lot of pointers to further publications, so folks who are really interested in the technology, they can go and check about it. The stuff at Kurai, I just joined a couple of months ago, so there's a lot of things that I cannot talk at the moment. So I gave a high-level overview of where are we going. So hopefully next year I'll have more specifics on the kind of graph that we're building. But we already have a graph, but I'm not going to give a lot of details at the moment. So I really like Rob Murrow's talks on unknowns, knowns, and unknowns, which is basically how to use active learning, different kinds of sampling. I thought it was well presented. He's working on a book, which I'm looking forward to read. Sofia Sanchez, who is part of Kurai, so she's going to give a talk, so I'm going to go to that talk. And then the talk from Caltech kind of ends the data session. I'm also looking forward to that, and obviously the panel. So for next year, really looking forward to kind of show to the rest of the planet what we're doing at Kurai. I think we got a lot of exciting components, and as we're spending more time on it and kind of debugging and iron out all the details, there's more stuff in the pipeline. So I'm really looking forward to kind of show more of what we're working on it, because I think that's a very exciting topic and area. Research-wise, I plan to hopefully have a couple of papers published if that works. That's all. It's a startup. I don't have a lot of free time. What I like about Scale by the Bay is the mix of hands-on people in the field, academics, researchers, applied researchers. So it gives you a kind of broad perspective on different topics, instead of being like just only full stack or particular development toolkit or tool or programming language like Scala. Here, there's a mix of different things. So I think it gives you a pretty good idea of the state of the art from different angles. And I think if you really want to take advantage of the event, you have to kind of pick different talks that will expose you to the variety of things that we have in the field. So instead of like only looking for tools or only looking for the research stuff, just kind of spread out and sprinkle here and there to get a better view of the field. That's what I like about Scale by the Bay. How to make it better? Location, I think, was an issue previously. Now this is a fantastic venue. I really like it. So I think this is a fantastic venue, and I hope you guys can keep running the same event in the same venue. Very, very nice choice. I know, Alexei was having a hard time finding other venues, but this is a fantastic choice, and I told him.